hell is going on there? You're not stuck, are ya? You're not stuck, are ya? Are you just doing wheelie practice? Just teaching her wheelies? Yeah, yeah, good. See you later. Whoop. This guy's doing more wheelies than me, look. Oh, I'll tell you what, guys, it feels good to actually ride the bike for once. I don't know how my shoulder's gonna feel. Oh, don't know how my shoulder's gonna feel after this, but it should be worth it. Just realised my speed thing is not covered. Can't show any of that road right there. Even though I was only doing the speed limit anyway. But as you know, guys, all of the stunts you see are performed by trained professionals. A trained professional. It's just me today. Don't replicate what you see in this video at home. And also, everything you do see is performed on off-road. So it's not actually on public roads. And believe it or not, I do actually have permission from the farmers to be there. I know the farmers down there. You lot was looking. Alright, back down here. I'm gonna send it down this track. Oh, so I say send it. I'm a bit of a noob when it comes to the dirt riding, the off-road stuff. This video as well was actually meant to be it was meant to be a chicken run. I just saw someone eating KFC like on Instagram and I thought, oh my days, I really want a KFC. But then I thought, nah, I don't actually want a KFC. I need to sort it out and get to the gym. This looks muddier than it was. Hold on. Are these not having a f***ing laugh? Why is this all of a sudden... Oh no. Why is this all of a sudden... It's like this all the way down. You got to be taking the... No, I'm not trying to crawl through that. Because that's exactly what I will be doing. And then I'm going to be absolutely covered in mud. And then I'm going to pull up to the gym looking like... It's been sunny, like, I thought it'd been sunny the past couple of days. I thought these tracks were going to be dry. Oi oi, stair set. They did not look happy. It's because they ain't got enough to win. What do we have here then? Are you joking me? Is it all this bit covered in shit as well? Oh no, I'm going to be absolutely soaked. Take the puddle routes. Well, this is deeper than it was meant to be. Oh my days, I'm going to be absolutely covered. Oh no. I feel like I've kind of got to go to the gym anyway. Sorry, sheep. All of them lions scared the f*** out of me. Wait, this is alright. First time off-road, lads. Oh my days, I'm drenched. I can't go to gym. Oh my god, I'm absolutely soaked. Yeah, I'm not trying to go down that. Yeah, I'm absolutely drenched, lads. Oh my days, what is hitting me? Oh my god, is it that's just water that's hitting me? I chose the wrong side of the track. I'm gonna have to go back home. I've got errands to run. What is going on? Oh, my legs feel so heavy now. Should I go on the right track? Yeah, I'm not trying to hit these puddles. Oh my days. Okay. Oh my god. Well. What a f***ing stupid idea this was. Or maybe it was a good idea. Either way, I'm knackered. Oh, a little, what do you call it, little fishtail action out there. Oh, it's that way. I've gone the wrong way. Oh, I can't do anything cool yet. And I just realised I just spun around the dumb way. Well, I wonder what's that way. Well, I got arm pump and I'm absolutely soaked. I feel like the better idea was to go to KFC. Actually no, I'll still be drenched and freezing cold. Need some off-road gear. That was actually really good fun. Private road. The one thing I never really got though was the stand-up wheelies. I've never really done them. So yeah, maybe all this dirt riding will make me learn that. I always knee knock the bike or go on in sit downs. I looked at a couple videos online as well of like off-road, how you meant to stand when you're riding off-road, like body positioning, and I always keep my foot around the front brake. I mean, not around the front brake. yeah, I ride like this. I mean, I always keep my foot around the foot brake because I pop so many wheelies that I just always am there, and I use it so much when I'm out and about, just so that I always use the rear brake, just so that it's always what do you call it? Like, just feel like I get more control. I got more rear brake control. I wouldn't use the rear brake for a front brake situation, but it's always being used, you know. Probably my number one tip right there for anyone who wants to learn wheelies. Just while you're out and about, just make sure you're getting used to using the foot brake. The more time you use it, the more control you'll get. Right, this is the end result. Bike's actually not looking too bad. Oh no. it's absolutely filthy. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but my shoes are like, what do you call it, like squelching. Anyway, see you next video.